In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute self in League of Legends. This quick tip is perfect if you want to block your own chat messages and avoid typing in the heat of the moment, so you can focus entirely on your gameplay. To get started, you need to be inside an actual match. This command won't work from the client home screen or the champion select lobby. A fast and safe way to do this is to hop into the practice tool. It loads quickly, and you won't impact any teammates while you test things out. Once your game has fully loaded and you're on the Rift, you're ready for the command. Open the chat box by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. You should see the typing cursor appear in the chat field at the bottom of the screen. Now, type the command exactly like this, /mute_self, written as one word with a / at the beginning, no spaces before the slash, and no quotation marks. So that's mute self. After you've typed it, press Enter again to send the command. You'll see a confirmation message in the chat letting you know that you've muted yourself. That confirmation tells you it worked. And from this point on, your messages won't be sent to your team or to all chat. This is especially useful if you want to reduce distractions, avoid back and forth arguments, or just remove the temptation to type while you play. You can still play normally, ping the map, and focus on your objectives without worrying about chat. A few quick notes to make this seamless. Make sure you're actually in a match before you try the command. If you try it in the lobby, nothing will happen. The command isn't case sensitive, but it must start with the / and be typed as a single word. If you don't see a confirmation, double check that there isn't an accidental space before the / or a typo in the word. Also, if your Enter key opens the scoreboard or another panel due to custom keybinds, you may need to press the key you've assigned to open chat, and that's really it. Log into a game, press Enter to bring up chat, type /mute self, hit Enter, and look for the confirmation. Once you see it, you're all set to play without sending chat messages. It's a simple change that can help keep your matches calm and your mind on the gameplay. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on the Rift.